All right, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing okay. We're going to give you a quick kind of how to buff some headlights. Super simple, basically instant gratification, and it just really works out well. You're able to see better, and it makes the car look better. So we've just taken some tape and went around all the painted areas. Even though it's a little bit older car, you still want to keep it clean and nice. Grab my buffer. This is just a, a Milwaukee with just a foam pad that I got off Amazon, I believe. And then I use a cutting finish compound, no swirl. Wizards, they make kits. You can do this. If they're really bad, you can go and sand them and then just keep feathering out your grits of sandpaper until you get to it. But super simple for this one. Take it, put some compound on it as soon as I can get this working. Let's see, get some compound on it here. There we go. And I'll put you in time-lapse mode and see how we go.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed.
Okay, as you can see, we just spent a few minutes. Look at the difference. Really makes the car look a whole lot better. So we're gonna do some touch-up paint, and here's the other one compared polished to non-polished or buff to non-buff. A few little scratches, probably get the windows tinted. And right now I'm just in love with this car. So hope you enjoyed the little video. And like I said, we got a windshield that needs buffed or something done with. The passenger window keeps falling down. The ignition switch is a little wonky, so we'll play around with this car and make it a little work car and save on some fuel. Thank you all for checking it out, and we'll catch up with you later.